Hi everyone, it's Heather from Loving Our Age, and I know you love those videos, you know, what not to wear kind of ideas. And I just want to say to you, remember this is just my opinion, but I've got a whole bunch of clothes behind me, and some of them are the don't wears that I specifically bought, and other ones are the do wears. So as usual, I'm going to have the before and the after videos for you to check them out. And you know, sometimes we just get in a rut, right? You know, we're wearing our clothes and maybe we see a trend and we're not styling it right, but this will all help you out. So let's get started with tip number 1. Now, although shiny, silky materials are trending, unless you're super thin, this could be a big mistake. I know we want to look a bit flashy for those parties and events, but you can see that this silky material as an all-over outfit shows every unsightly bulge that I have. It's especially a poor choice if you have a bigger bust because that outline is also really emphasized. If you want to wear this look, simply reserve it for wearing under a blazer like I have shown here. It might not be something you'd wear to a gala, but certainly it adds that silky trend look for a fancy dinner out or another event. And by the way, the silky camisole is about $24 and available in 31 colors. Oh, make that 21 colors. And the skirt has an elastic waistband plus a zipper for $20 in 9 colors. And the blazer, I've got 4 of these. It's fully lined and it's only $59. It's available in 24 colors, and like I say, I've also got it in black, red, and pink. And as usual, I'll have the outfit pieces that I'm modeling underneath the video description and also in the comments. And if you're looking for a lot of my favorites, just go to amazon.com/shop/awesomeover50. And don't forget to check out the daily deals section. Oh my gosh. I mean, last time I checked, there were some for like 52%, 30% off. And that's on housewares, beauty, and of course my favorite fashions. But for now, let's get to tip number 2. Florals and patterns are big for this season, but you need to be careful on how certain patterns can increase your visual size. Let's take this dress for an example. The white background and busy pattern really jumps out at you. Now, putting another dress beside it with the florals on a darker background makes me look 5 pounds thinner. I've been getting a lot of use out of this dress, by the way, since I bought it. It's lined and it has a beautiful flowy chiffon-like material. It's just $48 and available to size extra large. I've worn it on its own, but also take a look at how it can be dressed down, as you see here with a denim jacket. And if you like videos like these made by a woman who's certainly not in her 20s anymore, I would love for you to subscribe. There's a button down there somewhere. And don't forget to click on the bell, because then you'll be notified when my next videos are out. All right, let's look at tip number 3. Now, as we go to our closet for a new season, we tend to not believe that a dress or an outfit we used to wear doesn't fit anymore, as you can see with this outfit. We sometimes still wear it though, and we really feel uncomfortable. It's so much better to get something where you look and feel beautiful. And by the way, this red dress is a real favorite of yours and mine at just $34. And it goes up to size 2XL. Now, I just wanted to talk for a second about the last segment. You know, if you're getting older, a middle age kind of spread, it just seems normal to me. And you know, you're eating right and you're doing some exercising, but I just want you to relax a little bit with it, because hey, you're not 20 anymore. Things are changing, and you know, just look around you at a lot of women your age and you might find that you're looking kind of normal. The problem is our body image. And if you continue to really, breathe in, wear shapewear every single day, and wear those tight clothes, you're going to feel uncomfortable. And also, you're also going to be thinking all the time about your weight. So, as most of you know, I used to be a model, and I've really just relaxed with my post-modeling weight. I'm a larger size, but you know what? I'm okay with that, and it really helps me with my self-confidence and my self-esteem. And I hope I gave you a little bit of inspiration with that message. And don't forget to stay until the end of this video, where as usual, I'll have more inspirational messages for you. But let's talk for a second about sizing. And don't forget, know your measurements and check with them for every item that you order with the item's size chart. Little tongue-tied today, but anyway, this is so important. And, it's great that if you know your sizing, and if you say, oh, wow, I'm right on the money with this sizing, it might not be a bad idea just to size up a little bit. All right, let's take a look at tip number 4. I know a lot of us are excited about the places we've been, but buying a souvenir top like this and wearing it to a gathering just seems to say, ask me about Paris. I was lucky enough to go there. It kind of is an awkward situation. Now, these tops are fun to wear, but keep them around the house. These days when I travel, and I do want a souvenir, I find a local boutique and buy a top like this. This top gives me the European vacation vibes and memories of where I bought it, but it doesn't make me look like I'm looking for a travel conversation. And don't forget that I post almost every day on Instagram. I'm posting, I'm putting up reels, I have stories, and all you have to do is go to instagram.com/lovingourage. And like I said, almost every day I'm there. All right, so let's take a look at the next tip, and it's one that I think a lot of us struggle with almost on a daily basis. It's the dreaded shirt dilemma. Now, what a lot of women do is they don't want to tuck it in, so they just wear it outside over top of their pants. And you know what? You're looking bigger and you're also looking kind of dowdy. And then if you decide, okay, I'm just going to tuck it into my pants, well, a lot of times on the side view especially, boy, you really have a tummy with all of that extra material. What I like to do is take a popular trend and just add a no-sleeve vest. This really doesn't add much weight to your outfit, and now we only see a small peek of the tummy. This vest is just $32 and available in 3 colors. I actually think it's a great way to show off your outfit, and what again I don't want to do is just wear the top out. That's a way to look frumpy in my book, and we want to look a little more stylish and appear as though we're aging with attitude. And by the way, I did do a part 1 video for Do Not Wear. I did it much earlier this year. So what I'm going to do is, after my inspirational message, I'm going to put it on the end screen of this video so you can take a look at more tips. Now, as I mentioned at the beginning of this video, I want you to be authentically you. And if you're wearing micro mini skirts or maybe jogging pants all the time, could be authentically you, but you also could be stuck in a rut. I know it's a hard question to put to yourself, but when I see a woman who obviously is trying too hard to look like she's in her 20s, or she just doesn't seem to care about what she's wearing, I often wonder if she really does need a wake-up call. And you know what? I'd love to know if I've helped you with your styling choices. Do you like some of the fashions that I'm showing? Do you like my little modeling? And just let me know in the comments. Hey, I'm right beside you when it comes to self-image. You know what, let's be like Goldilocks. Let's not wear something that's too tight or something that is too big and just makes us look heavier. The other thing is trends. What I love to do is I love to buy the trends, try them on, kind of be a guinea pig for you and sort of see if they look right. Like, how am I going to style this? And then, of course, I love putting out a video just for you. Hey, we're all on this aging journey together, and I want to be your personal stylist. So for me, it's just one more way to be loving our age.